Okay, it's Christmas Eve, and what you're looking at is a Gardoan, or Cardoni, as they say at Valley.
Cardone.
So Rose, this is the first time we've ever witnessed the actual production of Gardones, right, Ro?
Yeah.
First time.
Since you lived at home, you saw it when you were a kid, right?
No, I don't think I ever remember you making this, no. So we cut, you take the big stalk like that, you take off the edges, which is like cacti, and you cut them in little slices like that. And then what do you do, Ro?
And we fry it.
Yeah, but what are you doing now?
Just peeling.
Yeah, and I tried it and I was doing it wrong. Tammy does one for her first one. Oh, perfect, Tammy. So you gotta just pull off the what? You just...
Look at that.
Open.
See?
Yeah.
I got a good one there. They don't usually cooperate like that. Nice shirt, Mike.
Yep. I just want to be festive.
I'll let Nadia inspect your work before you start with it.
Okay.
Are you putting them okay?
I'm working on it. I'm still getting my technique down.
So what do we do there?
We're going to boil it for 10 minutes.
Boil for 10 minutes. Okay, and how much water do we put in here?
Just to cover them.
Just to pretty much cover them, so not tons of water. So how many garlics, Ma?
I'll count right now.
3?
We'll see.
3 cloves of garlic.
Cut out for. Should I put one in? Yeah.
How many breadcrumbs did you put in there?
About 2 cups.
About 2 cups of breadcrumbs.
Let me get you a spatula.
And add the garlic in there.
Yes.
Add some oregano. And then what do you add in there?
Parsley.
Yeah, and then what? Then how much oil?
About 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of oil, and then you're mixing it together.
Okay, once the parsley goes in, we can start breading.
Okay. What are you doing now?
Putting the cheese in the breadcrumbs.
How much?
Oh, about a half a cup. Maybe more.
What kind of consistency are you looking for?
Just mixing it well.
So how much black pepper did you put in there?
About a teaspoon.
About a teaspoon of black pepper?
Whatever you like. Okay.
And then we drain them, right?
Okay. And then, Mom, do we need to dry them? No.
How long do you let them sit?
Just a little bit. A lot of Gardoan ball.
So why do you put them on the towel?
To drain them a little bit.
Just to drain them a little?
Your kids are gonna love these.
They will. Everybody will.
How many eggs?
4 to start. And I get to make more. Because you had to get so much. Explain it out. This is my cousin's cousins.
Yeah.
They're all cousins. Tam, put salt and pepper in here.
Got it, Mom.
Okay, what's in the eggs?
Just plain eggs.
Put the Gardoan in the eggs?
Eggs and pepper.
Eggs with a little pepper in there. We like a lot of breading. So don't be chintzy. So when you said, we'll say we might need more eggs, just depending on how much we use, right?
Yeah. 10.
Yes.
Sprinkle a little flour on this.
Okay.
Why flour, Ro?
Because it'll hold the breading better.
Okay.
So it's got to let them rest before you fry.
Yeah, that'll hold the breading better, right?
After you
Yeah.
boil them, you mean? You let them rest?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, some other Cardone. I usually only make one stalk,
And how many do we have, Mom?
and you have 4. What are we gonna do with all these?
We know what to do with them. Okay. How hot do you want your skillets?
Pretty hot.
Medium heat, medium high?
Medium.
And how much oil?
Cover the bottom.
Just to cover the bottom.
How much do you have that black? That might be good later. This?
They smell good.
What's that?
They smell good. Elaine, you do that one. Here, put those in there.
What do you want me to do? Put these ones in that one?
Yeah.
Well, he's going to. Oh, dear.
She took one out early. Why'd you take that one out so early?
Because I want to eat it. I can't wait.
Alright, let them cook, Rose. Let them cook.
I have to look at them, Paul. Hush.
Oh, man, yours are golden brown.
Yeah.
That pan might be better, you know?
Really just like better. Good morning, honey. Have a Gardoan.
How's it look, Dad?
Unbelievable.
It's all about adding more oil all the time. Constantly.
How's she doing, Mom?
She's doing beautiful. Yeah, taste
What do you think, Rosie? Thanks. Oh, the taste. It's unbelievable.
Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas,
Hi,
Sammy.
Grandma. How you doing?
Merry Christmas. Have a Gardoan.
Favorite eat? Oh, of course. Thank you, honey.
Pick me a good one.
Yeah, I don't want to Robbie.
Sam, come over here for the tasting.
Ring.
The best you've ever had?
Oh my God.
They're really good.
Yeah. Those are really good. It's all good.
Aren't they good?
Yeah. Tender yet crispy.
Which one's the perfect one? This one. Uh-huh.
Aren't they good?
No strings?
No, they're
No.
very tender.
Yeah, no string fish.